Welcome back, everybody. I know it's been a while, but been working on other projects. What we have here is I've got a Yamaha EF2000, one of those quiet generator inverters that was burning a lot of oil. I think it might be the head gasket sucking the oil into the cylinder, but what we have here is the cylinder head. So we'll do a cleaning of that. Then we'll do the top of the cylinder that's still on the generator. We'll do cleaning of that and see how they come out. So let's get into it. I've got the power turned down, so we might need to kick the power up. Yeah, it's taking. There was a lot of carbon. It's taking the carbon off. We'll just keep going at this power setting. Yep, it's getting there. I don't want to heat up the cylinder too much, so let it cool. Fire on it again, let it cool. What we'll probably do is after this one, we'll mist it with a little bit of degreaser. You can hear the change in the sound, meaning it's there's not much carbon left, so the pitch goes down because there's not things to ablate or vaporize. We'll just grab a little bit of cleaner, mist it a little bit. See about wiping it down. Got a little bit left there, a little bit around there. We'll mist it again and that was pitch black. We've got a little bit left right here. I'm going to spray it and let it sit for a couple minutes and come back to it. All right, so I increased the power from 70% up to 85% and decreased the size of the laser. And we'll see there's not much left. It's pretty much all cleaned up. that's about it. Uh, Everything's nice and clean. There was a ton of carbon on there. It's all gone, like brand new. Next, we'll go to the top of the cylinder, which is pretty carboned up. We'll get to that next. See how that one comes out. All right, before we get to the cylinder, I noticed the exhaust valve was, I don't know if it was fully seating because of so much carbon buildup on it from all the oil that's been burned through here. So we'll try and do a quick little clean of the exhaust valve. I don't know how well you can see whether the carbon's coming off, but it is. A lot of that fire you're seeing is from the wood. Yeah, it's coming off. Yeah, I don't want to heat it up too much. It's definitely coming clean. It's hard to tell, but a lot of that carbon has come off. So we'll keep working on it. Come back to you in a minute. All right, so here's it's hard to see, but here's the final result. Hard to get to focus, but yeah, it was loaded up with carbon buildup. It's all off there and it's gone. All right, let's move over to the cylinder head. See how we do there. All right, we'll see what we can do on this cylinder. You could just see that you could see all that carbon just get vaporized. Almost like a brand new cylinder. That looks great. Let's wipe it off. See what we're working with. It is There's a couple little spots left, not much. There you go. What do you guys think? That's pretty good. It's about all for this little engine. I'm hoping to fix the excessive oil burn on it. Got to get another head gasket. I think the oil was getting bypassed through the head gasket and getting sucked into the cylinder. So we're going to get that replacement, slap it all together, and see if she's good to go. If not, it could be the rings. But the cylinder walls look really nice. Good cross hatching. I don't see any scarring or scraping. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the cylinder down to the bottom and put some liquid, degrease or purple power, something like that, and just let it soak past the rings and kind of eat off any contaminated oil off the rings. Obviously, do an oil change after that, and then put her back together. See how she does. Thanks for watching. See you soon.